Alright, welcome to another Fang Dabby Dozy episode of Secret DIY, and today I'm going to do a 30-second tip, a new feature of mine on my channel that I'm trying out, and basically it's about this. I've got a massive stain here and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it, well obviously hopefully in about 30 seconds. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So basically we start off with this Zinsser bin very quickly, and like I say, touch dry within 15 minutes, within 45 minutes it's recoatable. Trust me, if in conditions like this, 15 minutes it's recoatable. So, as soon as it's dry, it's recoatable anyway. So all you do, old brush, wherever you do, dip it in. This is the most runniest stuff in the world, so you've got to be careful. Find out where your patch is, which is here, and just start painting it on. Like so, don't have to worry about anything, just get it on. So what you want to do while you're waiting, go make yourself a cup of tea. That's what I did. Now, bone dry, all ready to go. So you get your emulsion, cut in. Now I've cut in, roll it all. And as you can see now, it's all been painted, lovely. As you can see here, go up, can't see none of the stain anymore, that's all gone. And as you can see, it all looks lovely and perfect. So I'm quite happy with that now. So there's a little 30-second tip for you. Just like to turn around and say that thanks very much for watching. If you can find it in your heart to watch a few more of my tips and tricks and all that good stuff, if you find them interesting, that'd be much appreciated, because I am trying to get monetised and I'm still not monetised yet. And I'd just like to say the main thing though is thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.